Sure thing. Let me tell you about the perfect recipe for making Maggi Egg. It's ridiculously easy, and yet somehow it feels like a hack, even though you're mostly following the instructions on the pack. People love that. First, let's talk pain points. Regular Maggi gets boring fast. Some days, even the thought of boiling water feels like work. And when hunger rampages through like a freight train, you want something quick, but not mind-numbingly bland. Step 1. Boil 1 5 cups of water in a pan. It's the universal start for Maggi across every household. This part is forgiving. Got only 1 cup? Fine. 2 cups because you misjudged the pour? Live a little. Now, while the water is heating, crack an egg into a small bowl. Trust me here. Don't crack it directly into the pan just yet. You want to make sure there are no rogue shells because that ruins the vibe instantly. Once your water hits that rollicking boil, add the Maggi noodles. Break them in half or keep them whole if you're into the dramatic noodle slurp aesthetic. Either way, watch them soften into that nostalgic yellow goodness. Remember the masala packet? Yeah, toss that in now. Stir it like you mean it, but make sure not to overthink it. This part happens fast, maybe 2 minutes. BTW, don't pause to text someone unless you like mushy noodles. Here's the move. While the noodles cook, pour the beaten egg into the pan slowly, almost like you're drawing lazy loops with it. If you dump it all in at once, it'll get clumpy. You want that silky ribbon effect. Give it a gentle stir right after adding the egg. Not too much, just a couple of swirls to distribute it through the noodles. It's like a magic trick where the egg vanishes, but really, it stays to make everything taste better. Pro tip, add a pinch of black pepper or chili flakes at this stage. It takes the eggy Maggi combo from decent to, wow, why don't I make this all the time? Tiny tweaks equals big gains in Flavorland. Once the water is almost absorbed but the noodles are still a little saucy, turn off the heat. Don't wait until it's bone dry. No one wants dehydrated noodles. Plate it up, or eat it straight from the pan. I won't judge. Optional hero move, garnish with some chopped green onions or cilantro if you've got them lying around. People will think you're a culinary genius. Like, this doesn't feel like Maggi anymore. This feels gourmet. There it is. Maggi Egg in under 10 minutes. It's quick, comforting, and impossible to mess up unless you forget you were cooking. Bonus, it costs less than the change rattling in your couch cushions.